Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix mic in Escape the Backrooms. So if your mic is basically like a wind turbine or super loud, you cannot hear anything here, I will show you how you can fix this. Right, so the first thing what you need to do here, you need to go to settings, audio, and then input gain and set to 0.5. And then exit the audio tab here and go back. And now basically if you're having the issues with the mic, gain should be 0. It automatically sets to 0, okay? But you need to do a couple of times because not in the first time it sets to 0. So you need to change to 0.5 a couple of times until it changes to 0 if you have the issue here. Then what you need to do here, when you basically it is on 0, you need to change it to 0.5 and then exit again, and it should revert to 1. It should revert to 1 automatically here, and then the mic should be fixed and it should be consistent. If this does not work, then set input gain to 1.1 and close the settings. Then go back and audio should be changed to 1.2. So change to 1.1 again and close the settings. And then if you go on settings again, audio, it should be changed basically automatically to 1. And when input gain is 1, you can normally play and your mic should be working. So that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like.